Hey guys, it's Code with Shark. Today we're going to be learning how to make confetti particles in Scratch. First, let's create a new project. In my project, I already have the confetti thing installed, but I can put it in the description for you guys to use it. So since we're already here, for the thing, when we're going to have is click forever, go to mouse pointer, that's it. And then we're going to go to sprite 1, and we're going to go into costumes. Name it 1. And delete it. And we have to make it red for the colors to feel more natural. Okay, I'm making it around 7 by 13. Duplicate it. I'm just gonna make a squiggly line. Size 12. That seems a bit too thick. And then I'm gonna click on this, and then I'm gonna rearrange it so it's like a squiggly line. And then I'm also going to angle it by making another one angled. Okay, now we're gonna have to code it. Wait, I forgot one last sprite. Paint it. It's going to be a big circle, so we can use it to control the size of our thing later. So first, we need to create one of my blocks, and it's called create clones. We want to run without screen refresh. So we want to switch to costume 2. Not 2, 1. And then we want to set size to around 70. You can choose which size you want. And then we're going to switch to costume 1. Also, we're going to start out with hidden, and then repeat 5. Set color effect to pick random from 1 to 100. And then I'm going to create a clone myself. And then let's make our script. One green flag is clicked. Forever, go to mouse pointer. And then if mouse down, then we're going to repeat 4 clones, create clones, and then wait until not mouse down. And now, where the scripts comes in when I start out as a clone, show, we want to switch to costume, pick random 1, 2, 3. Let's see if I labeled them. Yep, I did. So you have to label them 1, 2, and 3. And then we want to point in direction. I'm gonna do pick random, -20 and 100 since it's angled. And then we're gonna need a variable called y for the sprite only, and x for the sprite only. We need to set Y to pick random to 2 to 5. Duplicate. X is going to be set to 8. We'll repeat 10. Change, moved, change, move X steps, and change Y by Y. And then we're going to do this, repeat until touching edge. We need if else, and a greater than if negative 14 is greater than Y. So this is basically the cap limit of how fast it will fall. So the higher it is, the slower the gravity will be. So the smaller the gravity will be. So we're going to leave nothing here. Then we're going to just do change Y by negative 0.7. You can choose how strong you want the gravity to be. And then change Y by Y. Y. There. And then delete this clone. Let's test it. Y. We want it to stay hidden. Why? Let's see. Do one. Pick switch costume from 1 to 3. This is also supposed to be 5. So you can choose how many. Oh, cost 1. There we go. This is how much confetti you have. And if you don't like the gravity cap, you can change it. I think 19 would probably be pretty nice, or like 23 I could try. And then you can just make the gravity stronger. Yeah, you can mess around with it. Change this to 3. Yeah, you can mess around it a lot. And that is how to make confetti effects in Scratch.